got a storm just like I wanted. Yay! Welcome here in Wisconsin, and I'm going to do a garage tour of my discs. I'm rearranging things. I went out and played a round at the Dodgeville high school, middle school course, and I had Trilogy discs and I actually liked how they flew. Going to actually be shelving a lot of my MVP discs, and well, I think it's for the best. Yeah, to go through all my discs again, relearn them anyway. MVP is what I was throwing in Denver. I got used to them a lot there. Now at sea level, so no good. Anyway, here I am, starting out. Garage organization, discs organization, and thanks for watching, guys. Let's go for a little tour. Got the garage for all of my disc golf. Got my Zuka right there. Alright, this is the disc storage. I'm going through my MVP stuff and my everything else. I'm actually boxing up my MVPs. So for now, I'll keep out the glow and I'll keep out the glitches that I use for the glitch challenges that I'm doing right now. But in the most part, I'm going to put all my MVP stuff in boxes like I already have here. That's a lot of the Proton and Neutron. And I'll put my Trilogy stuff back out, and well, Discmania, the whole Discmania bag that I haven't even really thrown much. There's some more Trilogy. Oh, ones you probably want to see. First run Bonanza. Shattered Van Bonanza. Second run. Cash Stash. All pures. Should I put with pures? The other one's a Logic. Soft. It's winter's coming up. Winter is coming. More part of the disc golf tour here at the house. I have a basket set up between the yards, and the neighbors let me use their yard to go from, like a 100-foot putt to here it's like 60 feet. Only rig I have that's waterproof is the Fujifilm, believe it or not. And have this camera out in a rainstorm. Is that what's approaching? But the sun's out. We got a cold front coming real quick here. Probably about a half hour. Better though.
Look at that.
There's Dad.
Look at that.
Off to the east. Oh no, it's pointed at the clouds up there. And it's a cooler view over this house. Up here, everyone else walk off 40 feet and see how far you can putt accurately. This brick layer right here happens to be 40 feet from the basket. Something I was missing, progressive lenses, but now I look like completely Corey. Alright, camera set up. It is waterproof. And the storm should be here pretty soon. I'm hearing thunder. Yeah, it's coming. Coming right for us. Oh boy. Rolling thunder. Alright, I've finished with disc golf. Ooh, another crack of lightning. Alright, as I was saying, things are back to being packed up. MVP and Innova actually went into the boxes. I've got some Innova still on the shelf here. The Halo stuff I throw and other Bodanza. And it's also a weather update because it's pretty cloudy and gloomy here. And for it to be 45 degrees right now, we had a nice cold front come through and some storms. Let me know if this is a kind of vlog that you guys like. But I love the weather. Disc golf is connected to the weather. I usually don't play in while it's raining out. Some of you guys do. Oh, here, I went through and organized, and was I playing disc golf? Nope, I was looking at weather, that's right. This is kind of a weird vlog one. Is that on film? Raindrops are here. Let's see. Okay, if that's hail, my camera's not going to survive. Yep, that's sleet. This is the only fully waterproof camera I have.
I don't like the picture of that. It's not supposed to get wet. I'm glad I picked it up for
Yay, the Scion's getting a bath. Editing the footage for the weather vlog and disc collection vlog, and I realized I didn't do an outro. Oops. Got everything organized now. Got Innova and Discmania, Kastaplast, more Innova and Glow, Trilogy, and then different putters. But well, thanks for watching. It's been Cats here with this weather vlog, and now we're back to nice weather, and it's just a little chilly. Okay, maybe just a little chilly, not nice weather, but we'll see you later.